we've got the Trendmood box. So if you want to see what's inside this one, then stay tuned. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy.
I'm Chloe.
And Bandit's hanging out with my mom because she's cooking dinner. So if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Trendmood is not a subscription. They kind of show you what's going to be in the box if you follow them on Instagram, and then they'll tell you it opens on this day. Boxes will go fast, and you'll go on, and maybe you'll get one, and maybe you won't. This is the first one I've gotten out of the last 3. Both times I got on right on time. I had early access, and it said, it gave me like some message about the site. I don't know, it was really weird. And then it was like coming soon, coming soon, coming soon. And then it said sold out. And so I didn't get either of the last 2. This one, I didn't even bother going on right on time. I'm like, oh, yeah, it's 1:30. I guess I'll check and see if they have any. Just because I don't want to be disappointed again. And they had them, so I picked it up. Now, these are $48, and you are going to get a box packed full. All right, what do you want to get into first? I know you like the name of that brand. Oh, going right for the hair stuff.
By Fable in Maine, Holly Roots hair mask Calipari. Rich repair for stressed hair with coconut cream and banana. Very tiger.
You want to take a sniff of it?
Yeah.
Here's the box.
I
can smell a little bit underneath there.
Yeah.
You're going to want this to sit for 5 minutes. And it does have aloe leaf juice, meadowform seed oil, cocoa seed butter, shea butter, lemon fruit extract, turmeric root extract, banana fruit extract, sugar maple extract, and what else is in here? Sugar cane. So quite a few ingredients, but sounds good to me. This is, says it's India's beauty secret.
So next, by Polite Society, Polite Pops Powder Blush Stick in Paris.
Now this one, I think you would have gotten one of, I think, 3 different colors, but that looks like it's going to be a pretty color.
Yeah, it does.
And I wanted to try things from this brand. This is cruelty-free, vegan, and earth-conscious.
Wow, that's pretty.
So here's the container.
Can I swatch it?
Yep, there's no parabens, no gaslighting, and no talc.
Wow. That is very pretty. Look.
That is very pretty.
Yeah, I like that color.
Excited to put that into the routine. All right, and next by She Glam, we have an Insta-Ready Powder Puff, and I've been wanting to get some of these. I actually think I got some in FabFitFun in my Wander Beauty thing, but these kind of things, it's good to have a few because once they get dirty, you know, you've got to wash it. So just a little triangle, yeah.
Ooh, oh, I like how that feels.
Yeah, and you're just gonna, like, you know, get your powder set in there.
By Sigma, we have lip gloss.
In what color? That looks like a dark color.
It doesn't say. LZG031.
Oh, it's sparkly.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's sparkly.
Can I make
Idyllic. It's an idyllic, yeah.
Oh,
That's sparkly.
no smell. Ooh. So here is it on my hand, and I put some on my lips.
How did it feel going on? Is it sticky, tacky, or did it feel nice and smooth?
It's nice and smooth. I like the other one better, like the
estate one?
The last lip gloss I tried on a lot better, but it isn't sticky.
I like the sparkles in this one though.
Yeah. No, I mean feeling going on.
Oh, feeling going on was. Alright, can you put that in the box?
But I really do like this one as well. I like the color of this one a lot. I think it might go with the other one though. Don't you think?
Yeah, it definitely would. By Ilia, we have the Liquid Powder Matte Eye Tint in Tannin. Alright, so there's the box. So that looks like a nice neutral.
Like a like brownish.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe a little bit pink. Yeah.
So it feels wet when you first put it on, but it rubs into a powder.
Ooh.
Yes, so I like that.
Youth boosting blue tea. Oh yeah. Sleep night oil. Smooth and soothe. 1% active retinoid plus blueberry extract by Elf Skin. There's this thing saying what it does on here. So I'm gonna read that.
Sure.
Right here.
Alright, here's the box in case you go looking for it.
Here's the packaging.
It
Ooh,
says,
very
put
metallic.
fine lines and wrinkles to bed. This gentle yet effective night oil is infused with a 1% granactive retinoid to help reduce the appearance of fine lines, uneven texture, dryness, and dullness over time. The nourishing, fast-absorbing formula works while you sleep to deliver a visibly renewed, youthful-looking complexion. And you're going to use 3 to 5 drops at night. Why don't you put it in the box? That way we have to put it in the box.
Alright. Oh, this.
Yeah.
Alright, I chose the next item already.
Okay.
Can you guess what it is?
Well, I can see it in your lap. I know the brand. I don't know what it is, though. I have no idea what it is.
It's a highlighter by She Glam.
Oh.
Lunar Glow Highlighter, Highlighter Lunar Glow. Oh. Alright, let's see. Ooh. Wow, I've never seen that kind of packaging. Oh, something fell out.
So it comes in a big box like this.
Look at this. It looks like the moon, kind of, doesn't it? Or like a flying saucer. And then you see in the middle it looks like a planet with the craters in it, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, and it's a beautiful color too.
Let's see, does it say the color on here? In case you're all interested. Okay. Heart Galaxy, I believe is the color.
Wow, we have to keep this.
Okay, give it a little swatch.
That is beautiful. I don't want to mess this up.
We have to keep it, but we can never use it.
No, I just mean we have to be careful.
Okay.
You see that? It's like a pink. Very, very pretty. I love that.
You want to swatch it on the back of your hand?
I had it on my finger, but ooh, that's pretty strong too.
All right. Can I open this one, or do you want to open that one too?
I'm gonna open that one.
Okay. So by Sigma Beauty, we have the Peach Pie Eyeshadow Quad, and I'll let you take a look at that in a minute. Take this out. Very, very pretty. It would look nice with that liquid color from Ilia.
So this by She Glam is an Insta-Ready Face and Under Eye Setting Powder Duo.
Oh, for the powder puffs.
Yeah, in bubblegum.
Oh, they gave us something to use. All right, now that makes sense.
And they gave us a blush too.
Mm-hmm.
Or was it a blush or a highlighter?
Highlighter.
Highlighter, yeah. Let's see. Oh. It's a very light pink.
I think that's just the, oh, no, it's already some out. Okay.
What does it even do?
But it is translucent once you put it on. It's just to, like, so that you don't have shine where you don't want it. So you'll take one of those puffs and you'll put it in here, and then you'll just pat it where you have some shine that you don't want shine.
Like glitter shine?
Any kind of shine.
Oh.
Not glitter, but like...
Oily?
Yeah, maybe oily or... Yeah.
So, by Empowerment...
Thrive.
What?
It's by Thrive Cosmetics. And it's Empower Matte.
Oh, Empower Matte.
Right.
Alright, by Thrive, we have Empower Matte, and it is a lipstick crayon. Joe. That's
Which
different.
is a pink mauve.
That looks a lot different than here.
Not really.
This is the color. It's more of like a pink, pinkish brown, like kind of dusty pink. Maybe.
Now I love Thrive.
Ooh.
That goes on so.
The
Put a
color
little
is
on your hand.
completely changed.
Put a little in your hand. See how smooth that goes on. Gorgeous. I love this company.
Wow.
First of all, it's women owned. They're cruelty free, and their name is Cosmetics because they do contribute to different causes. Ooh, it smells delicious.
Yeah.
All right, and the last thing in here is something with a pretty high price tag.
Wow, I think this is like everything in here is like a keep.
So this is by Maison Louis Marie. It's the number 4 Eau de Parfum, and it is
Perfume.
Perfume. Didn't say perfume.
But that's in French.
I know.
Eau de Parfum.
Mm-hmm. So the top is sandalwood and cedarwood. The mid is vetiver, nutmeg, cinnamon, and the base is amber wood. Now I don't usually like sandalwood, but it's the top and it's not the bottom. So that's the scent that's going to dry quickly. But the mid, that's what I'm living for, that nutmeg and cinnamon.
You gotta cut your nail.
Hmm?
You gotta cut your nail.
Which one?
Your thumb.
I know.
Ooh. I gotta try that on. I can tell I'm gonna like that.
All right, so I know I've only gotten the samples of these, and the samples run pretty pricey. Like I've gotten them in Ipsy, and I've seen like the price tag on there. That is nice. I like that. It does not have a strong sandalwood.
It smells kind of cucumbery to me. Is that just me? Or like a kind of fruity?
I don't smell the fruity, but I see what you say about the cucumber with that fresh scent.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Sorry.
Yeah.
Like a cucumber
But
melon.
I do like that.
Me too.
All right, that is our trend mood. I don't know which volume number this is, but I'll have looked that up, and it will be in the description. But tell us your thoughts. What was your favorite item? What was your favorite item in the box? This was a good
Take
box.
a guess.
The moon style highlighter?
Yeah.
All right.
Now it's like the nutmeg. I can smell it.
I think mine is this perfume.
Yeah, that's my second favorite. Because now I'm smelling the nutmeg too.
Mm-hmm.
And like the spices.
Yeah. But not like you're cooking. It doesn't
Yeah.
smell like a bakery. It's more like an earthy kind of scent. Yeah. All right. Well, that's all we have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.